United States. Today we are going to see how can we make this clamp using sheet metal and how can we cut these slots on sheet metal. So let's start. First of all, I am starting from new part, and here we have selected millimeters, and first of all we have to make a sketch, but this time I am going to select this front plane sketch. And here let's start from a line. From here make a straight line, make a vertical line, or then select it and for construction and OK. Now next is we are going to make a circle here, or first make its dimension as this one is going to be 70 mm. Next is a circle that is going to be drawn from here, and its dimension is this one is of radius okay, diameter, so 60 dia. And the next one is we are going to make line from here, find the x-axis here and simply make a line like okay, and again line command from here till the circle and okay. Next is a smart dimension. We are going to from here to here distance is okay, from here to here distance is 35 mm, and let's make it of 35 divided by 2, so it will come on the center. Next is we are going to trim this one and split this edge and this sharp edge, and its radius is going to be 30 mm. And okay, now next is control 7, and we are going to use not the features, we are going to sheet metal, and here we have a base flange tab. Here we are going to sheet metal diameters is it's 2 millimeter, okay, and radius okay, that's all okay. Direction 1 come here, it's going to be 30 mm. And mid plane, okay, this mid plane is going to be work too much, uh, make it of 40 mm, that's look good, and okay. Now we have done with this, so next is here we have option unfold, so we are going to unfold these fixed faces, selection, okay, select fixed face and bends to unfold this one, or wait, unfold this one, bends to unfold, and okay, now you can see it's done. Now we have to make a sketch on the face, so select this face and press Ctrl 8 to take it to normal. Now similarly go to sketch. Next is we are going to make slots. Select the straight slot, no, center slot, make a slot here. This is the y-axis, okay, make a slot here, one slot, and from the same origin make a slot on x-axis like this. Now smart dimension, this time we are going to make this of radius 6 mm and this one is going to be 3 mm. From here to here distance is okay, wait a minute, not not this one, smart dimension, its length is going to be 60 mm, and uh, we have from how much 60 mm are done. Next is okay. This one is of 25 mm. Okay, what I had priced 253, not 25 mm. Okay, now come here. We have done with this all. This is 3 mm, 6 mm, 63 and 25. Yep, I think so. That's okay. Now we can trim this. Okay. Control Z. No. It will. If I trim this, then I have to make relations. That's why I'm not going to use here. One more thing, from the here to here. Let's see the distance. The distance is okay. Make it of 65. We have to make it on the center. That's why I'm doing this. 64. Okay. So what we can do? 64.5, 64.73. It's nearly equal. Now next is from here to here. It's 20. Okay. And from here to here, it's 20. Okay. Now next is um we are going to cut these features. Extrude cut. Contours, we want to cut this one, and this one, and the whole slots. Okay. Now control 7. We have cut it. Now next is here is the unfold sheet metal. We are going to fold it. Here fixed spaces. Okay, bends to fold this one and this one, and okay. Oh no, edit features and this one. Now see, it's folded. Now next is we are going to control 7 for isometric view. We have to edit flange. So each flange is here. Now let's make a flange. Okay, not here. Control Z. Not the control C. I pressed skip. One more thing, base flange, edit features. I'm going to increase its age to 50 mm. So this slot is going to be more easy. Then next is like here space. This one isometric view. Now we have to create flanges here. So each flange from here, make a flange here. From this edge, one flange here. Now similarly, one flange here. Now rotate it. And the last flange is here. Control 7 again. Now next is the distance. How much? So here is 27 by default. Now I'm going to make it of 25 mm and okay. Control 7 again for isometric view. Now we are going to break its corners. Here is the break corner. From corner drop down, select it. Break corners option. Just select this edge. Okay, it's going to be chamfer. Now you can select the flat one, one, one here, and the one here. Now you can rotate it. Select the edge here and edge here. Okay. Now its radius is 5 mm. Okay, it's good. Control 7 for isometric view. Now we have to cut a slot here to this sketch on this plane, on this face, not the plane. Control 8 for iso for the take it to the normal. Now select the slot. It's center slot. That's why I'm going to straight from y-axis horizontal and make a slot here. Now it's time to mention the dimensions. This one is of 20 mm. I price 20 mm. Okay, and radius is 4 mm. Skip center point and the origin, and this one is going to be vertical. Okay, control 7. Now features and extrude cut. We want to cut it to the thrall, and okay. Now the only thing left is the holes for it. So we can create hole. Click on this face sketch, control 8. Now circle, find the center point here and the center point here. Make a circle. Similarly, find the center point and the circle. Okay. Press control, select both circles and a relation equal. Now smart dimension, and this circle is of 9 mm. Escape. Now we are going to create a hole. Features, extrude cut, and we want to cut through all, and okay. Control 7 for isometric view. Yeah, it's nearly done. Now appearance, and we are going to make it of metal, and it's going to be still, and okay. Now we can change the color from here. This one is okay. Now control 7. This is done. Now you can check it by unfolding. You have to go to sheet metal tab, and here you find the flatten. Now you can flatten it. Control 7. Here's your the whole sheet metal. Control 8 to the normal. Okay, not like this. Like this face. Control 8. Now you can make this clamp by using a sheet metal of rectangular part. You can see this dotted line. That means here is a rectangular sheet. And then you have to cut this rectangle from the right, left, make slots over it. One slot here, one slot here, and the four circles to hold it. And then you can bend it like this one. Control 7. So this one is done. Hope you will understand how to use sheet metal and how can we bend uh, any type of jet we want to use. So that's all for today. Hope you will like the video. Comment your expressions and subscribe to Guide Station, and don't forget to share to your friends. Thank you.